Welcome back to the SHTF show, folks. We're excited to unbox this piece of gear today. Wherever you are when Sierra hits the fan, you'll want your essential gear nearby and staged so that you can react to circumstances. Go bags are essential pieces of gear, and you'll probably end up having several. Each go bag must be well designed and well built, and suited for the specific role you are assigning it to satisfy. We ordered this pack from opticsplanet.com. They processed and shipped the order quickly. As you can see, the packaging is simple and practical. We found two companies with bags that met most of our demands, but both brands manufactured their gear in China and Vietnam. That is always a deal breaker. We had essentially resigned ourselves to continue using an assault pack. It works. But it's like using an adjustable wrench as a hammer. It gets the job done, but it isn't the best tool for the job. Then we found this bad boy online. S.O.Tech is short for Special Operations Technologies Tactical. We'll put their link in the description below. This is their Go Bag A1. The main compartment is a rectangular cube, measuring 19 by 5.5 by 6 inches. This bag was specifically designed as an emergency go bag for tank and helicopter crews. Storage for both machines is scarce, and this bag was designed to fit into the niches. This is the footprint we wanted. The A1 has 4 separate zippered pockets on the sides. With the bag laying face down and the single sling strap unbuckled, we can access the main compartment. It has 2 zippers so you can access from either side. Pull both zippers and you have full clamshell access to the primary compartment. Fields of Velcro run the length of the main compartment on all 4 faces so you can secure your gear as you wish. The construction of the bag is very good. It's built with 1000D Cordura that is tough as nails. The stitching is all straight, there are no loose threads, the quality control is obvious. This is exactly the quality of workmanship that you expect from an American-made piece of gear that you are going to rely on when Sierra hits the fan. You can see our Yaesu FT60 is still charging there in the corner. We'll need to track down a good MOLLE pouch for it. Remember that we'll begin studying for our general license soon with the course offered at AmericanRadioClub.com. The A1 has 3 external pockets on the front of the bag. Each is 5.5 by 5 by 3 inches. The Velcro field on the top pocket is 2 inches tall by 3.75 wide. There are a few very faint white lines at each pal's web. I suspect it is merely the marker they used when laying out the bag on the work table. The rain flaps are just the right size and do not get in the way when zipping open or closed. There are drain holes in each of the external pockets and on the main compartment. They've added strong drag handles to both ends of the bag. The buckles are made in America by Nexus. I am very happy with this bag. It checks all the boxes we were looking for to serve in our off-road rig. It is sleek, minimalist in design, outstanding in construction and materials, and made in America. We'll begin outfitting the bag and get it into the field. Watch for updates. Visit www.S.O.TechTactical.com and check out their range of gear.